YouTube channel. My name is Preeti.
My name is Wei. I just joined to her video things.
So in today's video, we are going to learn how to make proper Indian cha. So I'm from India and Wei,
China.
so we have two different cultures.
Yes.
And in my culture, we drink cha on a regular basis. Well, some of us Indians do. Not everyone does, but whatever. So we're gonna learn some simple steps on how to make cha for amateurs. So Wei has never made cha,
No.
and she has never drank it. So she is going to make cha for me today.
Yes, I'm gonna try how does it taste.
Are you excited?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is get a container. Oh, sorry, my bad. Pot. And in the pot, Wei is going to add some water.
So like 1 cup water?
Yes. So we will add 1 cup water.
Okay.
And then as you add your water, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of black tea.
Okay.
To add that, what you're going to do, you're going to take some cardamom seeds. So we have some cardamom seeds right
here?
over here. Smells good, guys.
Yeah, yes.
Well, you're a pro. So now in the same cup, we're gonna add 1.5 cup of milk.
Okay.
So only thing left to do is you're gonna strain it because of the cardamom and the tea we added. You don't want to be drinking with it, so we're gonna strain it. So for that, we're going to need a little strainer. Be careful. Oh, don't burn yourself. You scare me. Okay. So, I can't wait to try this.
Yes. I'm so excited for my first grade.
I'm ready to taste your tea.
Okay. I put so much love inside. So
Love. She added love. How do you do this? Love. Love.
Love.
She added love in
yes,
here.
yes.
Okay, guys. Let me show you how it looks, by the way. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks really good. And it smells so good. It's a little bit hot, so let's taste it.
Yes.
Don't worry, it's gonna be good.
But still, my first try tea ever. It's the same? Are you sure?
It's good.
Okay, let's
It's
see.
very good. You guys, this is the best tea I've ever had.
Oh, thank you.
Because there's a lot of love in there. You taste it, Wei. Let me know how you like your first tea made by you.
I really like it.
So Wei, how do you say hello in your language?
So we say 你好 means hello.
So ni hao.
Yeah.
By the way, do you guys want to meet my dog? He's
He's such a good
I love
boy.
him. Just kidding. He's in the garage, so let me go get him. I miss you.